Denver is dead and him come from Marshland. And listen, I know the whole story, who did it and everything. But listen, what really stand out to me is like the craziness. Oh, people that lives in a small community think about each other and the crazy stuff they do to each other. It seems like it's madness to me. Yo, listen to this guy here.
Be a warning to all of you. If you ain't serving the Lord, you serve that devil. This is what you get for evil in your life.
Big up the country squad and the country people them all over the world. You are now tuned in to the most monitored vlog.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them I go on, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advice. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advice. Hold on, before we go. I am gonna mention a name. And the name is Shillin. Now Shillin is from Marchland. And him and Denver, they were good friends, along with a bunch of other guys. Now, with Shillin, he is in prison right now for stealing and fencing stolen goods. I'm gonna talk more about him. Stay tuned.
Well, as far as I know, I heard the one that stabbed my brother is deceased. I don't know how true it is. I do not know what is going on. I don't know who did it. Like I tell you, we're just trying to cope with it, but we don't know, to be honest.
Now, if you notice when this guy here was talking, because that's Shane's big brother and Butter big brother, I'm gonna talk about them some more. But him right there, his name is Coolie, and him have nearly 50 kids, and all him do is go around and lie to these women and breed them up. And he's in the media saying he doesn't know what happened when the person involved in the situation was already speaking to him. He was there, he saw everything. But if you notice how articulate he is in the media, that's why I say, liar, liar, pants on fire. Listen to this.
No, I don't think so. He was that kind of person, when people say who did this and did that, but to my knowledge, I never saw, I was not there, so I cannot judge him. But all of us in this earth, we do wrong. He was an individual, he used to be around my son, and what I noticed about him here, he used to become, maybe unless you get him abrogated, maybe that's when he will really, quarrel or say something. To me, he was calm. People will say, hear what she's saying. A man who has done so much wrong and do this and do that. She said
no, that's Shillin and Butter. And the next guy, Coolie, the one in the video speaking to the media, that's their mother. Now, she is acting like she don't know what's going on. And she's talking about Denver, the youth who got killed. I'm going to explain to you what happened and the different players. But like I said, to me, it just seems like straight madness. If you look at that picture right there, if you look to the right, that's where Shillin lives, right? And that's where Shillin girlfriend is. Now, if you look to the left, that's where Denver live. You understand? So now, Shillin with Shillin brother is the one they call Butter. You understand? And the one them call Shane. I go tell you now we go down. But obviously, Denver, the guy who get murdered by, me I soon call the name, I tell you who murder him was linking with Shillin then. But Shillin is now in prison. Shillin is in Borderley because he did a breaking and entering and he was fencing stolen goods. And the police them catch him and lock him down. Now Denver them and the little man them used to run the Shillin and do enough. Never use the word fuckery for Shillin. And now Shillin is in jail. It seems like there is a fallout with these guys. Now, I hope you not follow me, you know. It's whole heap of twists and turns. Now, you have Jordan. And Jordan used to run with Shillin them too. And Jordan and Denver, the whole of them link. Now, I want y'all to listen very clearly. You see, Denver woman, she gave Shane some hashish, you understand? And apparently, she didn't get back the money. So pretty much, Shane and him brother them are deal with bad man thing. And I guess because of that, now you have some talk go around. Now, look at that picture right there. That's Joan. That's Denver girlfriend. And now, she gave the boy, Shane and Butter some work, some hashish. And it has been 6 months and they didn't get their money. So there has been talking on both sides. Now, Jordan was riding a bike and I didn't think he bounced Shane with the bike, but right close to him. And Shane started acting some ways. I'm telling you what happened now when what transpired. Shane started acting some ways. So now Jordan went up to Shane's house where him live with him brother them, and he was talking to Coolie, the one with the all sharp and wave in him here. And now Butter, that's Coolie brother, Shillin brother, Shane brother, heard what Jordan was saying, and Butter come down with a machete and chop up Jordan. Give him 2 chop. He said him get chop in him back. That's what the intel tell me. Now after Jordan left, Jordan met up with Denver. You see what I'm saying? And Denver, from what I was told by the intel, stab up Shane. Because Jordan get chopped up, because Jordan them say was really trying to chill things out. But what really surprised me about this situation, you can see the underlying tension from Joan incident and Denver. So Denver end up stab up Shane. Because right now Shane is in hospital. You understand? And me here say he's under intensive care. So he's pretty much battling for his life. I have to give the fact. Now, check this out. After Denver did that, he went a certain way, and when he went that way, he met up with Coolie and a couple more people, because from what my intel said, Coolie just had a boat ride and Brad the shooter was there. So Brad the shooter take out him gun and shoot Denver in front of everybody. Coolie see it, everybody see it. You understand? And I want to address the police because I heard they picked up Brad the shooter, but let him go. But anyways, Denver ran up into a massive crew of people, and remember him just stab up Coolie brother and them shoot him. Brad the shooter shoot him in front of everybody, and that's how Denver lose him life. Now with that said, you know, I want to talk about some things about this case and this situation, and see me give the police the fact, and me will address some things. Now, look at that. Yeah. Right there, say now. That is a neighborhood, and everybody right here, so knows everybody. Grow up with each other. You understand? But guess what? Jealousy, envious, bad mind put the whole neighborhood at risk because of certain individual self-serving notion. Remember me tell you, this no normal. Now, I just want to recap. You have Shillin, right? It's a recap me a go. You have Shillin. Shillin, him seemed like him was some hungry belly boss, or hungry belly boss, would I call him. And him have these little minions like Jordan. You understand? Him have other minions around him. Now, it just seems like things went bad to Shillin and him go to prison. So the youth them start flex out. You understand? Now that the youth them a flex out, it seems like Shillin brother them, which is Shane, Butter, Coolie them never like what go on. On top of that, Shane and Butter take something from Denver woman and pretty much punk them off. And that leads to the murder of Denver and the brutal stabbing up of Shane, because me have to put that in there. You understand? And like I said, it is very sick. Now, before I go, I want to address the police because this morning, the police pick up Brad and another person, a female. And my intel tell me that the police, they let go Brad and went and get a different man who is not involved in this thing. So I am asking the police to double check their information. If they want to link me, them can link me. You understand? But double check on the information, because the people them in Marshall, they're very scared and they're not gonna come up and talk to you like that. You understand? And with that said, case solved. And guess what? My name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.